You're watching Saving Health. This is going to be a fun presentation for you today. Listen and pay attention. Today, we're going to show you the difference between distilled water and spring water and why you shouldn't use spring water and how it isn't the best for you. But we don't want you to just take our word for it. We've got our handy dandy water tester that's going to prove it to you, okay? And as you can see, it's reading 0. What that means is it has 0 contaminants in it. It also has 0 salt, 0 minerals. Therefore, it isn't hard water, it's soft water, which is what you want to drink and what you want to bathe in, because hard water can be rough on the internal organs as well as rough on the skin. So now I'm going to stick the water tester into the spring water, and wow, as you can see, the spring water is at 67. That means this is very filthy. It has a lot of dirt in it. It has a lot of minerals. It has a lot of salts, contaminants. You don't want to drink this. Spring water is just as bad as tap water. If we were to take the tap water, I'm sure the tap water would be just as bad as the spring water. In fact, give me 1 second. And what do you know? The spring water is worse than the tap water. The tap water is reading at 60. This tap water may have a small filter on it, but even with the small filter, it's reading at 60, which means it's filthy, it's contaminated. It has a lot of dirt, salts, minerals. It's hard water. It's not good for the internal organs, not good for the skin. So I've got distilled water in here, which of course was at a 0. And then I've added dirt to it so that we can see exactly what this meter is testing. Notice what happens when I put this tester into this filthy water. We are at 205. So as you can see, it is dirt. It's minerals and it's salt that are in the dirt, the filth that's in the dirt, the bacteria. That's what makes this meter go up. So if you put your meter into your water and you have any number at all, then you've got some bacteria, some dirt, some salt, some minerals. And if it's a high number, anything more than 1 is probably not something you should drink. You want nothing but water. If you have a number on your meter, that means there's something in that water that isn't water. So make sure that you have the purified or the distilled water in your life. Let's get the tap water, let's get the spring water out of the equation, and you will live a much healthier life. I'm David Cook. Thanks for watching. 260 and counting.